In this video, we're going to be talking about the zoom feature, how we can zoom in on certain parts of the screen. Well, we need to make sure that it's turned on. So we're going to go up to the black apple and down to System Preferences. And then we're going to find Accessibility, which is usually this guy standing out with his arms wide open. And it may be on displays. You need to make sure we put it on zoom. And we need to come over here and make sure that Use Keyboard Shortcuts is clicked, the scroll gesture with modifier keys is clicked, and then this Smooth Images is clicked. And once these are all clicked, you're good to go. And so we're going to click back out. And now I'm going to show you how we do this. We're going to open up a picture. I just have a regular picture of a keyboard. I'm going to do 2 clicks on it. I'm going to open it up. All right, it opens this up in a program called Preview. All right, and if we want to zoom in on something, we're going to be holding our 2 keys down, Option and Command. We're going to be holding these 2 keys down with one hand, and then we're going to come up here and hold down the plus key. So if I do that, it zooms in to where we're at. It's going to zoom wherever your mouse is at. If I want to zoom back out, I'm going to hold the Command and the Option keys down, and I'm going to press this minus sign. So I'm going to hold that down, and it zooms out. Wherever your mouse is at, if it's up here on this tool, I'm going to Command, Option, and plus sign, and it zooms in on that. And you can zoom back out. The shorter way is if you hold the Control key down, which is right here. If I hold that key down with one hand and I use my scroll button in the middle of my mouse and zoom in, that seems to be a lot faster. As I move my mouse up to this edge, it moves it up, moves it over, moves it down, moves it back. If I want to zoom out, I hold my Control key down and I zoom out with my mouse. So I'm scrolling my mouse button down. Right? And that is how we're going to be zooming in and out. I use this all the time with my lessons. If I have a Safari opened up and I want to see a certain part of the page, or if I'm explaining a game and I have certain buttons that I need them to push, I can zoom in, I make sure they see it, and it makes it a lot easier.